Hey everybody, Thermal Mike, and we're back here with another time-lapse build with the View 37. Now the View 37 is a new upcoming chassis here from Thermaltake, which will be available in two different models. One is going to be our View 37 Ring Edition, and the other is going to be our RGB Plus Edition. Now the differences are going to be basically the fan configurations that are included with the case. You'll also have a nice new controller that we're also going to be including with the View 37 that gives an analog style to the Riing Plus fans. And then with that, it also has a convenient little bypass that will go through the expansion slots in the back, so you don't have to actually worry about pressing the buttons on the inside of the case, because we thought about that, giving you a nice pass-through through the back of the case. Now with this controller, it also offers sync capabilities, so I can plug this into a sync-capable motherboard that supports a 5-volt addressable LED out option, so that I can either sync this with my motherboard software or use the convenient buttons here to configure my lighting the way I want it. Now with this, you can use this, it supports up to 3 products, and you have 3 fans that are included with the Ring RGB edition for the View 37. Then we also have the Ring edition for the View 37, which comes with a standard blue LED fan. Now the View 37 is also a nice wide body style chassis, so I got plenty of room for cable management in the back, but one of the big features I like about this is being able to put a nice big fan in the front. So introducing our Riing Plus 20 200mm addressable LED ring fan that we're incorporating into our Riing Plus family. And then that's going to look real nice there in the front, being able to put those giant fans in the front. And then one of the other great features with the View 37 is the vertical radiator mounting, allowing me to take my RL360 Plus, turn it sideways vertically, and then be able to have that so I can see my fans through the front in this nice 90-degree acrylic glass that we have right here. And then with that, it's going to give me nice airflow that's going to push through the case. There's ventilation pass-throughs and filtration that go through the case so that all my air goes right out the back of it, giving you a nice isolation for your heat exchange from your radiator, which I think is a great feature, and it gives a nice aesthetic just the same. Of course, you'll also get vertical GPU mounting in the case, which we're going to be teaming up here with our 1080 Ti water block, which is going to look real great and give us nice performance as well. Power supply, throwing this all in here, we're real excited with this. And then with that case, you get this nice 90-degree acrylic window that you can just bend right over, gives a nice open view to your custom PC that you want to build in it. So with this, the View 37, all these great components, we got our new C Pro fittings we're going to be putting in here. We have our Aorus motherboard, CPU, W4 Plus, we got tubing, we got coolant, and more. So you guys stay tuned as we go forward here with the View 37, and hope you guys enjoy the build just as much as I am.